Hey guys, how's it going? How to change the background with AI. So go ahead to your browser. I used to use KlingAI, but unfortunately for some reason it won't function. So I won't be able to basically log in using my account to basically generate or remove or change background. As you can see, right, you're gonna see network problem, right? So it's still it keeps doing that. It keeps doing this. So I will use alternative website like remove.bg. Right. So if you want to change the background, you can just go ahead and upload the image using remove.bg. And let's say, for example, I want to select this photo. Hit done. Right. And now they're gonna change the background for my image. Right. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see the background is removed. If you want to add, something, or to erase something, some part of this picture, you can just do that, right? And if you want to create a design, you can just go ahead and create a design for your background, okay, by clicking create your free design. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.